Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and doing your work very well. Open your books at page number 18, the course books of English. Today we shall read out unit number 2, A Night Walk. As the name of the unit tells us that it is all about the night time and a night walk. Most of you have listened or read out about morning walk, which we do mostly in the morning, but this is all about the night walk. In this story, the writer went with his father on a night walk. Okay, so before you read, you have may have some questions in your mind that what you can see at night in the sky, and which things you can see at night in the sky, which kind of animal or which birds move at night. Okay, you can see a picture also. Here you can see a bird that is actually owl. So in your mind there is a question that owl and other birds, why they came out at night. This may be in your mind. This is actually a diary entry. The writer is going to write in his diary what happened when he went out at night for a walk. So, at the end of this story, you will be able to write your diary yourself that what happened one day when you went outside for a walk or something else. So, you have to keep in your mind that how to write a diary. Okay, understood? Let's start the chapter. You have to underline the difficult words so that you can easily understand the main theme of this story. Okay, getting? Yes, dear diary, last night father took Tom and me for a walk. We were allowed to stay up late. Allowed means to give permission. Allowed. Allowed. Allowed to give permission. Okay. To stay up late because there is no school today. School is closed because it's a public holiday. So now in this paragraph, their writer tells about three persons. So three persons are going for a walk according to the writer. The one father, and the second one was Tom, and the last one me is actually a writer. Okay, understood? राइटर अब बता रहा है, जिसने स्टोरी लिखी हुई है, कि लास्ट नाइट वो अपने फादर और टॉम के साथ में भी हिज ब्रदर और फ्रेंड, आई डोंट थिंक सो वो कहाँ गए हैं? नाइट वॉक पे, सैर करने के लिए. एंड वाई दे स्पेंट अ टाइम लेट नाइट? इट वॉज बिकॉज दैट वॉज द हॉलीडे. कोई स्कूल डे नहीं था उस वक़्त, स्कूल टाइम नहीं था, नेक्स्ट में उनको छुट्टी थी, हॉलीडे थी, सो दैट दे स्पेंड देयर time there. Okay, yes, you have to keep in your mind also the verbs and noun also. In this first paragraph, noun is actually a naming word. Okay, the name of a person, place or thing is called noun. So in the first paragraph, the writer choose noun father and Tom, and then he talk about school. It is also a noun. Okay, night is also noun. Then he has chosen some words, those are called verbs. Verbs are action. जो हमारे actions होते हैं उनको verb कहते हैं, doing word और action words. Here he has used an action word walk. walk is our action. Whenever you walk. Then he used another word, allowed. It is a regular verb. Regular verbs क्या होती हैं? The verbs that मेक्स और चेंजेस टू द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. जो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में चेंज हो जाते हैं वो रेगुलर वर्ब्स कहलाते हैं. ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंड. एंड दे एंड्स एट ईडी. ईडी पे वो फिनिश हो रहे होते हैं. एंड द अदर वंस आर कॉल्ड द इरेगुलर वर्ब्स. ओके, लेट्स जस्ट कि जो वर्ब्स ईडी पे एंड होते हैं दीज आर रेगुलर वर्ब्स बिकॉज दे चेंज टू सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. First form is allow and the last is allowed. Another word, closed. The first form of verb is close. C-L-O-S-E. The past form is closed. It is also a regular verb. Okay, getting? Yes. Now move towards the next paragraph. Tom and I were very excited. Excited means very happy, eager to do something. We walked and walked means moved. चले वो. So soon we came to a field. Field is a place where there are some क्रॉप्स ग्रोन. मतलब जो खेत होते हैं जहाँ पर फसलें उगाई जाती हैं. और एन ओपन एरिया दैट इज़ अ फील्ड. इट वॉज स्टिल एंड क्वाइट. क्वाइट मीन्स साइलेंट. वो बिल्कुल खामोश था. अब टॉम और जो राइटर हैं दे वर वेरी हैप्पी, दे वर वेरी एक्साइटेड, दे वर ईगर टू मूव आउटसाइड द हाउस. घर से बाहर घूमने फिरने में वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो रहे थे. और वो मूव ऑन किया उन्होंने और जल्दी से एक फील्ड, एक ओपन एरिया तक पहुंच गए. एंड दैट फील्ड वाज क्वाइट एंड साइलेंट. एट नाइट मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर स्पेशली साइलेंट. गेटिंग? ओके.